Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita and welcome to another styling video. So in this video I'm going to share with you how you can style your maxi skirts in 4 different ways and wear them like dresses. So I have 4 different maxi skirts from this brand called Tavi. No, this video is not sponsored by them. I just love all their clothing pieces and I just want to share some ways to style them. And all the outfit ideas are going to be very wearable and practical and yet stylish. So if you're interested in knowing how you can turn your maxi skirts into dresses, please keep on watching. So for the first look, I'm going to style this maroon and blue ajrak printed maxi skirt. To style a maxi skirt like a dress, you need to pull it up and wear it like a tube dress. I absolutely love the print and the colors on this skirt. If you want to support an Indian brand, you can support Tavi. It's available on Myntra and they have an amazing collection. Next I will add an asymmetrical ajrak printed shrug on top. This one has a similar print, so it's complementing the skirt really well. To define my waist, I will add a belt. You can wear your belt over the shrug. Or even under it, like I'm doing here. Then I will wear my black leather jutis. And carry this multicolor mosaic sling bag to finish the look. For the next look, I will be styling this indigo blue A-line maxi skirt. It has a printed border and buttons in front. This one actually looks like a tube dress. If you're comfortable, you can wear it just like this. For footwear, I will wear my favorite pair of tan heels. If you're not comfortable in just wearing a tube dress, you can wrap a scarf around your neck like I'm doing here. Here I've draped an indigo printed scarf. Make sure that the print on the scarf matches the dress or the maxi skirt. If you want, you can also add a denim jacket. Next I will add a square sling bag. For jewelry, I'm just wearing this Afghan statement ring and this is the finished look. For the third look, I'm wearing this really vibrant kalamkari hand block printed maxi skirt and I'm wearing the skirt like a tube dress. To accessorize, I will be wearing this statement Afghan necklace. It's a beautiful necklace and it's also covering a lot of area on my neck. You can stop here or add a scarf, like I'm adding this yellow and blue printed scarf. I will just throw it on casually. For footwear, I will wear my mustard yellow mules that matches the scarf. And then carry this beautiful Banjara sling bag. This bag is going perfectly with the scarf and the shoes. Finally, I've added this statement ring and this is the finished look. For the fourth and final look, I will be styling this indigo printed maxi skirt like a tube dress. Next, I will layer on a plain white shirt. I will wear the shirt like a jacket, leave the buttons open, roll up the sleeves and then tie a knot in front. Next, I will wear this really pretty silver mirrorwork necklace. I absolutely love the combination of white with indigo and silver. For footwear, I'm wearing these really unique brown leather ajrak printed flats. Next I will carry this brown leather bag. The brown leather on the shoes matches perfectly with the bag, and this is the finished look. So that is it. These were all the looks. So you can try these and no one will be able to know that you're wearing a skirt like a dress. Let me know if you will try these and which one you think looks the best. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also watch this video in Bengali. I will have the link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.